Welcome to Team Rocket Garage. We are going off-roading today. We're going to a place called Little Moab. It is in Utah, out by 5 Mile Pass. And we've got our experienced rider. I'm an unexperienced rider. And then we've got a person behind us who is another unexperienced rider. So just 3 dudes going out into the whatever. All right, so we have done roughly 25, 30-ish miles on roads like this, just bumpy gravel roads. And we are coming up on what is called Little Moab here in Utah. I will put the pin in the comment below. And yeah, latitude, longitude's down there. Pretty easy to find. There's no cell phone reception out here, so I've never met this guy and I've never met that guy. So before this, so yeah, we will see how this goes. If I end up getting murdered, then you will never see this video. Yeah, there was no one there to record me. Let's see, so I would say if you can rub your tire against the side right here, that's where you have the most like dirt. All right, there's puckering now. There you go, you're doing all right. You're gonna slide here. There you go, don't fight it, just go straight. There you go. Perfect. Woo! That's scary. All right, so we're done at Little Moab. We are heading over to, I guess, Eureka. I guess there's a tunnel that we can drive through, like an old train tunnel. So we are just driving down this fairly improved road. Fairly rough as far as dirt roads go, but not the worst I've ever been on either. We picked up a buddy and another 4runner, so it's me and 3 4runners. So I am the 3rd runner, or the 4th runner. So we came up to a mine, and one of the 4runners here, oh that's nice. One of the 4runners here has all seasons on it, and well, they didn't make it all the way to the top up there, which here's a video from that, boink. And so now I'm coming down. I've got the PA, so dude's just backing down now. I'm going to, I've got the newest tires out of everybody except for maybe the red 4runner. And so I'm gonna come down here and see if I can't instruct him. Oh, he's not doing too bad. He's way up there. So, but we made it all the way up. We're gonna try a different one so this guy can get over there. But that's where we're at. We are, it is just gorgeous here. the rock lights on and everything. Huh?
I lost that bumper.
Oh no. I'm noticing a lot of people's bumper pieces on these trails, so you just keep an eye out. Maybe you'll find one.
I didn't know it fell off.
Did you lose a bumper piece?
Well, you could barter with this guy. He's got one.
I don't need it. It's gonna fall off anyways.
Apparently, yeah. All right, that's the end of that trip, but not the end of this video. We have another trip out to Little Moab. It was a little snowier, and we went with a friend of mine who was able to record some off-road footage of the Dodge, so you guys can stop watching silly 4runners doing commuter car things. But before we do that, the Dodge was struggling a lot. The timing is bad. The timing chain on these Dodges will stretch a lot, and that just means that the engine is not happy. So we will fix that, and off we go, back out to Little Moab, this time with a little snow. Bump it. Fucker runs good though. Yeah, you might have to bump it to get over that snow patch that's right there. Yeah, you're backing into a bush, by the way.
Fuck that bush.
Oh, I don't want to break anything. Redneck pinstriping all the way.
I like a little bush.
Oh, I don't. right, come on. Bump it, bump, bump, bump. There you go. Oh, you're past the rock you said. This is going to be tough. You don't really have a lot of articulation. Keep going, keep going, keep going. It's not too bad.
I got a little sideways there.
You're good. You're clear on this side. Whoa, hold on, don't move. Not your drive shaft, probably your cross member. Let me take a look. Holy shit.
Seems like going backwards isn't an option anymore.
Specifically is not. Good thing I'm here. All right, well, I'll go hike and get Ashley in the truck, and we're probably just gonna pull you down this way because it's easier for me to get in this way.
Yep.
All right. Hey, bud, you still stuck? You need a hand?
It would appear so.
Yeah, sure looks like it from here.
Just pull him like that.
What?
Just pull him.
Just stretch it, yeah. There's a rock right here. I'm gonna have to go like way that way. Hey, if you know anybody who likes stuff like this, make sure you send them this video. Make sure you subscribed, and if you like the video and you got to the end, please hit that like button. It really helps me out. And if you can go ahead and comment below what you'd like to see more of on my channel. It seems like people are deciding to like more of the off-road stuff on here, so I will do more of that happily, because it's a lot of fun. And let me know what you like to see. Thanks so much. Have a great day, guys.